Welcome to NETZSCH Pumps and Systems India. In this video, we will demonstrate the disassembly of the NETZSCH UNS 100 mechanical seal from the connecting shaft of a NEMO pump. First, remove the sleeve or thrower from the connecting shaft and keep it aside. Carefully slide out the mechanical seal housing along with the stationary part of the mechanical seal contained in it from the connecting shaft. Now remove the rotating part of the mechanical seal from the connecting shaft by sliding it outside. Clean the stationary part of the seal face on the mechanical seal housing with a soft cloth to avoid contamination of the product. Apply equal force on both the sides to remove the stationary part from the mechanical seal housing as shown in the video. This is how the disassembly of the NETZSCH UNS 100 standard mechanical seal from the connecting shaft is performed. Thank you.